Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Acrobat for PDF rent roll and contract editing. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have downloaded Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Locate the installation file and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, launch Adobe Acrobat from your Applications folder or desktop shortcut. On the welcome screen, look for the option to sign in or activate. If you already fill in the required details to set up your new Adobe account. After signing in, you will be directed to the activation options. Select the plan that best fits your needs for PDF editing. If you have a product key, look for the option to enter it. Type in the product key exactly as it appears, ensuring there are no typos. Once entered, click the Activate button to proceed. After successful activation, you will receive a confirmation message. Now you're ready to start using Adobe Acrobat for your PDF rent roll and contract editing. Open the PDF file you want to edit by clicking File and then Open. Navigate to the location of your PDF and select it. After the document opens, familiarize yourself with the editing tools available. Use the Edit PDF tool located in the right-hand pane to begin making changes. You can add text, modify images, and adjust layouts as necessary. Save your changes by clicking File and then Save or Save As. Your PDF is now ready for use with all the edits you've made. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to Adobe's Help Center for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.